Good everyone, I am Oyemachi David Chibuke from the Department of Political Science in the Faculty of the Social Sciences. My major purpose for joining this department is because I have a dream, a driving force to help the less privileged of this country. And I believe that me joining this department will enable me gain insight and knowledge about the political processes and the political environment I will become aware of it so that I'll be able to, help those in need when I become a politician in future. I believe that if God should help me to achieve these dreams, then the less privileged will not only get assistance from the government, but they'll become better people, even those who have parents, who have guidance, and who have the needed resources to be satisfied in life. Thank you very much.